this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. And here is a nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Size, bed type, review, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. We talk about amenities of this property. Case will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Three categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Details and offers are available online for this property, along with